9. 10 useful English idioms. 1. Back in the day Hindi. Purane samay mein explanation, referring to earlier times. Example, back in the day, children played more outdoor games. 2. Back on track Hindi. Fir se sahi raste par aana. Explanation, returning to the right path or routine. Example, after a short break, the team is back on track. 3. Back someone up Hindi. Kisi ka saath dena ya samarthan karna. Explanation, to support or help someone. Example, my friends always back me up during difficult times. 4. Back the wrong horse. Hindi, galat vyakti ya cheez ka samarthan karna. Explanation, to choose or support something that fails. Example, he lost money because he backed the wrong horse. 5. Back to square one. Hindi, fir se shuruat par laudana hai, forced to start again from the beginning. Example, the plan failed, so we are back to square one. 6. Backseat driver, Hindi, bina puche salah dene wala vyakti. Explanation, someone who gives unwanted advice. Example, don't be a backseat driver while others are working. 7. Backstairs influence, chipa hua ya gupt prabhav. Explanation, secret or unfair influence. Example, he got the job because of backstairs influence. 8. Bad blood, dushmani ya manmutav. Explanation, unfriendly feelings between people. Example, there was bad blood between the two families. 9. Badmouth Hindi, kisi ki burai karna. Explanation, to speak poorly about someone. Example, it is wrong to badmouth your classmates. 10. Bang for the buck. Hindi, kam kharch mein jyada fayda. Explanation, getting good value for the money spent. Example, this book gives great bang for the buck.